go somewhere, he can reassure us and tell us, because he only knows what's happening and he only can predict what's going to happen. Okay. So I want his opinion and his prediction. He has to be a little bit of a astrologer and a person who sees into the future. After that, we have amongst us a very noted activist who deals with all the sound related activities in this city, not only in the city but in this country also. She looks after the control of noise pollution, and believe me, if any of these two or if both of them are implemented, there will be tremendous noise pollution in Pali Hill. So she will also be speaking for a few minutes. Madhu will give you a little bit of a technical know-how about the points regarding these two issues. As you know, she has been working very hard to the extent that she has not been well, but still, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, whole day, and she has a vast of information, as you all already know. I don't think I have to introduce that particular aspect to you all. After that, Mr. Asif Zakaria, you will please let us know what you as our cooperator are planning to do. After that, we'll open the house or the audience to questions and answers. So whoever wants to ask questions and answers relating to only these issues, please. Not about other matters in Pali Hill or other civic issues. Let's restrict to two, because as you can see, so many people have got no space to sit. So let's be short and sweet and finish it up.
Good afternoon. Said by Dr. Shukla is pertaining to the hawking zone which has been proposed on this part of the suburb, that is a Pali. And the second is on which from last 2-3 weeks, obviously, there is a solid debate in the Mumbai city and through the media and through the channel is regarding the development plan of the Mumbai city. All my colleagues are also here. The Mumbai BMC's Deputy Mayor, Mrs. Alka Kirkar is here. Our Councillor Asif Zakaria is here. And of course, there are so many activists who are also gathered to show their support for no hawking on the Pali Hill. What I understand about the first issue as a hawking zone, it is still a proposed hawking zone, number one. Number two, the same has been proposed by the committee which is formulated by the traffic police, local police, BMC, encouragement officers and everybody, health officer. And they have been given a job as per the Supreme Court guidelines. There are so many judgments, I don't want to go into the detail of that. As per the judgments, one has to fix where these hawkers will sit. And the base of the same is hawking is a constitutional right. And on which these committees and reports has come, and ultimately as far as this part is concerned, this area has been proposed for the hawkers, and obviously we'll all have gathered for the same. As Dr. Shukla has rightly pointed out, when this issue has come up in the newspaper and brought to my notice by Madhu, Dr. Shukla and all my colleagues, I raised this issue in the Legislative Assembly. I made it as a point of order in the House, and when I raised it, the Urban Development Minister, and who happens to be the Chief Minister also, he replied to my letter and my point of order very clearly that if this is a proposed thing and if there is a no footpath and it is a fully residential area and absolutely no or less commercial area, then I assured you on the floor of the House or by writing the letter that there will be no hawkers on the Pali Hill. That answer has been clearly been given to me, and that's why I am very clear about the same. Of course, that doesn't mean that we need not to follow the process. The following the process is a part of the same, which obviously we all will gather together and do it. We'll take the help of corporators, deputy mayors, everybody, the local ward office, and we'll see that whatever assurance I got on the floor of the House, which will be fulfilled and will be executed on the paper, and which will follow about the same. So that is very clear, and I have informed about the same to Madhu and Dr. Shukla also whenever he was SMSing me. So as far as first part is concerned, from my side, a total support, number one. Number two, to see till the extent that there will be no hawker on the Pali Hill. And number three, whatever assurance I got on the floor and by writing the letter will be fulfilled on the residents, for the residents of Pali Hill. So first point, as far as me is concerned, only the formalities will remain, which will be done eventually within a 1 week or 2 weeks period. I hope that is clear. Number one. So number two, now DP plan. Obviously, we all are worried about the same. The first thing which we come up to us was about the church property. And obviously some road has been shown which is going from that heritage structure, religious structure, and which has created agony in the mind of the minority Catholics and everybody for that matter. I don't want to go and give the big speech for the same, because we are seeing that every day the news shows that this proposed DP, again this is a proposed DP, has many faults in the same. Again, as your elected representative, I have raised this issue which has been reported in the newspaper also, and which has been circulated by leaflet and SMS and email throughout the city and our constituency also. The threefold issue which I raised. Number one, in 2010, the entire city's development plan working has been started. And when in 2010 BMC decided for further 20 years, we need to have new development plan as per MRTP provisions, we need to appoint a consultant for the same. That was BMC's opinion. That time I was a municipal councillor. And the consultant was required specifically because there are so many judgments which was in passed in between, which has changed the reservation in the interest of the people. There are so many reports which has come which needs to implement. There are so many committees has been formulated in this part of Mumbai, as an entire Mumbai, which has given their recommendations, and complexity of this Mumbai city requires to address with proper, consultant's mind, expert's mind. And therefore BMC in 2010 called for the tender for a consultant. When they called for a consultant's tender, they called for an expression of interest. We called it as a EOI. EOI has been, expression of interest has been called. 16 consultants throughout the world came for the formulation of DP. Out of that, only 6 has fulfilled the criteria of RFP, request for performance. After that criteria of RFP, then third criteria came up about the technical bidding, means technical qualification. There also only 3 consultant has been selected, and these 3 selected consultant, their bids has been opened, and the lowest one was SSP, has been awarded a job for doing a consultancy for preparing the development plan for further 20 years. Obviously, we all know that when we follow such a process and when we come down and zero down to a consultant, obviously BMC asked for an agreement with that SSP only. We expect that SSP should have done the job. But this has happened in 2010 and 11. When in 2014, the proposed or a draft DP came up, this work has been done by some geotechno company, that is another company. That means the selected company was a consultant was different. So many irregularities come up, like Kautan has been evaporated, heritage has been gone, buildings has been shown on the ground. So the raised in the house was this, that we may have a debate about the proposed and draft, idea and policy, different opinion about the existing land use. Existing land use has to be as per what is existing. Give the exact ELU, that is existing land use. So consultant is irregular, the ELU is bad, the draft DP which has done so many blatant mistakes that BMC given the permission on that plot itself also they were given the reservation as open space. So that means there is no coordination between two. Heritage structure has gone, religious structure has been divided, the properties has been divided, somewhere 8 FSA has been given, somewhere 2 FSA has been given. As you are such a way whether development and redevelopment will be helpful or not, itself is an issue about the same. 25th, no? 25th April, which is the last date, one has to file the suggestion on objection. So this committee, if at all has to come to some conclusion, they should give their report within the time. And I am happy that within 4 days the pre-interim report of the Chief Secretary's committee has come, and which has also been reflected in the newspaper. And that committee's report has been given to Chief Minister, and Chief Minister has made the statement on the floor of the House that yes, I am admitting there is irregularity at all 3 stages, at consultant, at ELU and at draft DP. So therefore, pre-interim report clearly says that government is accepting the fault of the consultant and BMC. So very clear. Now what should be done? Okay, it is accepted. There are 2-3 more points which needs to be addressed. That technically speaking, the making of the development plan is a duty of the corporation, which is urban local body, and the state government cannot directly interfere in every and all points. So we need to be sure about how much interference state government can do to save the interests of the Mumbaikars, which CM has accepted. Number 2, if we scrap this plan, then what should be the process? If we don't want to scrap the plan in toto, then what has to be done? For which we need to have a further study, for which 6 or 7 days time has been given to that same committee of Chief Secretary. So as you rightly said, I am not astrologer, but I can predict, and I can predict the same thing, that this plan will be scrapped in toto. We need to give the time to BMC, to this Chief Secretary's committee, and to the Chief Minister. I hope that we, with this note, for allowing me, hawker zone will not become here, and both the assurances will not be assurances. Thank you so much, and allow me to. I hope Alka Dai and Asif will.
थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, गाड़ी आ रहा है, थोड़ा पीछे जाओ, ये साइड अंदर जाओ, लग जाएगा.
I think Ashish has said very well, but I think he just wants a few words and then we get on to the other aspects of it.
ये सभी लोग हैं, ये सभी ने बैठकर हॉकर्स का रिहेबिलिटेशन करने का प्लान करना चाहिए. ये कल्पना सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस कमेटी के बाद सामने आई. इस विभाग में बांद्रा खार सांता क्रूज में ये काम लोकल वार्ड ऑफिस ने जो किया, उसमें पाली हिल जैसे इलाके में जो 100% रेसिडेंशियल है, एक यहाँ पर फुटपाथ नहीं है जहाँ पर किसी को बैठने की प्रोविज़न हो सकती है, और नंबर 2 यहाँ पर कोई कमर्शियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट भी नहीं है. ऐसी जगह पर ये प्लान प्रपोज करके एक पीसफुल रेसिडेंशियल एरिया में एक तरीके से न्यूसेंस प्रपोज किया. ये भावना जनता के बीच में, और उसके कारण सभी लोग इकट्ठा होकर जीते हुए. लोगों की भावना सही है. बीएमसी के जिन अधिकारियों ने काम किया, लगता है उन्होंने पूरा माइंड अप्लाई करके किया नहीं है, और उसके कारण इसके ऊपर वॉइस करना ये जनता का अधिकार है, और इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इस नाते, उनका एमएलए इस नाते मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है. मैंने इस बात को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से सामने रखी. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने मुझे लिखित में और सभागृह में आश्वासित किया कि ये रेसिडेंशियल एरिया है और फुटपाथ नहीं है और कमर्शियल अगर सेंटर्स नहीं है तो यहाँ पर किसी भी तरीके का हॉकर्स जोन आएगा नहीं. और इस एश्योरेंस को जनता को देने के लिए, और उनकी आवाज़ मैंने प्रशासन तक पहुँचाई है, और वो करवा के मैं लूँगा, ये बताने के लिए मैं यहाँ पर आया. मुझे लगता है हर एक एरिया की अपनी अपनी टोपोग्राफी है और उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है. आप जिस स्पेसिफिक रोड के बारे में मुझे पूछ रहे हैं उसके बारे में भी मैं जानकारी लूँगा, लेकिन क्राइटेरिया बहुत सिंपल है. 100% रेसिडेंशियल एरिया है, कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी कुछ भी नहीं है और कमर्शियल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट नहीं है और फुटपाथ नहीं है, तो उस एरिया में हॉकर्स का आना ये कोई कायदे के अनुसार ठीक नहीं है, ऐसा हमारा मानना है. मैंने स्टेप ले चुका हूँ. I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister in the House. I wrote the letter to him. He has assured me in toto that Pali Hill will not have a hindrance of the hawkers because there is a no footpath. It is 100% residential area and there is a no commercial establishment here. So as far as Pali Hill residents are concerned, we have given the 100% hawker-less road for the residents. ये फैसले का प्रोसेस है, एक आध वीक में उसके ऑर्डर.
और ये भी कहते हैं कि सेलिब्रिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं इस एरिया में, इसलिए एक्शन भी जल्दी लिया जा रहा है, ऐसा
मुझे लगता है कि सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी इंसान हैं और सेलिब्रिटीज़ छोड़ के इस ब्लॉक में रहने वाले मेरे भाई बहन भी इस एरिया के रहने वाले रहवासी हैं। तो इसमें सेलिब्रिटी नॉन सेलिब्रिटी का कोई विषय नहीं है। जहाँ तक जनता की आवाज़ बनने का विषय हम बनते हैं।
don't know which roads of Pali Hill are affected. There are 5 or 6 roads which are proposed to Pali Hill, which again is a very absurd thing. Plan was made in somebody's office rather than actually visiting on the site. What they have done is, if I have seen the Google map, I see okay, let's go ahead and join it and show to the Mumbai city that look, we are proposed now could have been a much more foolproof plan, but unfortunately it is not. So I think we have a very...
That's all right. Okay. Get your clothes ready. We can do it. We'll come to that, but let's get on to the next thing. Madhu needs no introduction. No Madhu, and I think. And after that.
I had written all this. I'm on 6 roads on Pali, making a deal plan. Out of the 6 roads, I'll just brief out. The first road is at please, individual letters and nothing else is acceptable in the PMC. We want the number in order to protest. So, more has been said about it. 18 years back, or by the help of PMC, how come suddenly they want to make it as residential commercial is unimaginable. Thirdly, it was themselves who asked Dr. Shukla and myself as Pali Hill Residents Association that you should go into an...
Otherwise it look like a mass something. You should have your society letter prepared by your by your society secretary, chairman, society letterhead as whatever you are objecting to. But individuals, at least those who have come here, you should have a personal letter. Yeah.
पहले खत्म हो जाए या फिर it doesn't look nice please they're talking it doesn't look nice they're talking
Please come forward who wants to ask questions, please.
stop traffic सर आप लोग सड़कों पे हमें पहुंच गए
Please come forward if somebody wants to ask questions. Otherwise,
आप लोग जब इधर आएंगे तो होगी बात चलो रोल पीछे रुके वो ट्रैफिक
चालू
हाँ जी चलिए पूछिए चलो खत्म करो
Are the hawkers really harming the Pali Hills? Can you
नहीं अभी तक हॉकर्स तो हैं
I don't think there are any questions.
बस टाटा है कौन है सामने
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये ऑर्डर दिया है कि हॉकर्स को यहाँ अकोमोडेट किया जाए कहाँ इस इलाके में तो पाली हिल को चुना गया है कि यहाँ पे हॉकर्स
Didn't you hear
हम इसकी विरोध कर रहे हैं
about it?
कि
It's a proposal. It's just a proposal just now.
कमर्शियल कॉलोनी है ये कोई कमर्शियल
Don't worry. Sleep comfortably.
अगर आप
You
चाहते
won't
हैं
allow.
तो
You won't allow.
अकोमोडेट किया जाए तो आप उन्हें कमर्शियल एरियाज में किए
Yeah. So
जैसे कि हिल
it's
रोड
just a
है
proposal. I think
एसपी रोड
Ashish
है
has said and
आपके पास दो बड़े स्टेशन है खास स्टेशन
both
और
have assured us.
बैंडर
Let's see
स्टेशन
what happens. But still oppose.
पाली हिल है तो आप उन्हें
Any
वहाँ
other
करें जहाँ
questions?
ज़्यादा तादाद में लोग होते हैं
Yeah, Mrs.
हॉकर्स का बिजनेस कब होता है जब ज़्यादा लोग
Shama
होते हैं
has
तब होता है
just said that when
तो
you
पाली हिल में
in your
हॉकर्स को लाने
applications
से
for the
तो मतलब
objection,
मैं
you must
समझता हूँ
have an
कि इससे
extra
सिर्फ
copy
हमें
for receiving it. Okay? So they should
क्या
put two
कहते हैं
copies. One will come back to you, one will stay with the authorities.
कि एज इट इज़ यहाँ ट्रैफिक इतना है इतनी बिल्डिंगें बन गई हैं गाड़ियाँ दोनों तरफ पार्क होती हैं आप उसमें आप रेडिया भी लगाएंगे और अपना बिजनेस भी करेंगे तो गलत बात है देखिए मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं
You please hand it over to Madhu.
मैं इनकी मजदूरी के खिलाफ
आसिफ
नहीं मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि बाहर देशों में जैसे कि साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज में आप देखें अगर वहाँ भी
Please come in now. There is no
प्रॉब्लम
space
हमारा
here.
जो हॉकर्स का है
So that
जैसे सिंगापुर में
please come in.
सिंगापुर में एक उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट में एक जगह तय की है वहाँ हॉकर्स मार्केट बनाया गया है ताकि वहाँ से आप अपना बिजनेस वहाँ से करें आप तो ये ज़रूरी है मैं समझता हूँ कि म्यूनसिपैलिटी को भी मुंबई म्यूनसिपैलिटी को भी ऐसी एक जगह अलॉट करनी चाहिए जहाँ से वो अपना बिजनेस करें ना कि आप कभी किसी रेजिडेंशियल एरिया में
They only know what they've done, but
वो
it's very
आपको रेंट
obvious
देंगे
that they
रेंट से आप you can have them regulated
I just like to add one thing is once you
कहा
are
गया है कि
putting your
बैंकॉक
objection
में
suggestions,
तो
it is mandatory for the corporation to give each and every objection suggestion a hearing. So once you have finished complaining or objecting to it or giving suggestions. Whenever the process starts, they will have a process of inviting or calling all those people who have objected. There will be a 4 to 5 member committee who will then give you a hearing and will you can then argue with them or reason with them. So it's not that once you write to them, the matter ends there. All those people who have written to them, they will be called for a requested hearing. So be assured that each one will be heard.
अगर यही नियम आपने काला हिल, मलाबार हिल, बागेश्वर, नेपिंची रोड, जहाँ के जितने मंत्री भी रहते हैं, अगर आपने यही वहाँ लागू किया है तो हम उनसे एग्री करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ भी लागू करना। आप यही चीज हर जगह लागू करें तो हम मैं समझता हूँ कि पाली हिल वाले पर ये कहना कि सिर्फ पाली हिल में आप करें ये बात गलत है। ये बात
I can see the future is Pali Hill is
आप हर
safe
जगह
for
मुंबई में
India.
करो ना फिर
Youngsters
एक ही आपने यही चुना।
I'm sure they'll grow
मैं
up
शायद
to
गलत हूँ कि शायद
like us.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि सिर्फ पाली
Thank you for coming.
लेकिन
Thank you for
मुंबई की
coming
हर
here.
जगह
We'll
में
keep you all
वर्कर्स कोला कर रहे
keep
हैं।
you all informed. And again, a big thank you to the press, to the media, because without them, we cannot spread the
You are only talking about what I'm hearing. Understand? Please, thank you. Thank you. See, this is why I don't like you. Wrong people. Don't like them.